Belcher, your Carolina coolant guy with King Industrial, and today we're going to talk about the CoolantGuy C-Thru separator by NextGen. This little unit is absolutely phenomenal for removing tramp oil from your coolants in your machine tools. It'll make you want to take a disc skimmer and a belt skimmer and just throw them right out the back door once you try one of these. They're very affordable, they're zero footprint, and you can install one in 12 minutes or less. They're very simple. In fact, if you decide that you want to buy one from us and in the Carolinas, we'll be happy to come and do that installation for you. Now check out this video that we've put together here so that you can actually see the demonstration of the effectiveness of this product. If you'd like to try one of the CoolantGuy See-Through separators, just give us a call. You can reach us at CoolantGuy.com. All of our contact information is there. Be sure to mention that you saw this video and we can help.